which is the medium in there we expresses our emotion, actions and expectations. In language, grammar is essential soul in the language. So today I am going to teach you the change of the voice. Do you know the Marathi meaning of change the voice? Only raises your hand. बदला. Another meaning? कर्तरी आणि कर्मणी प्रयोग. So I'll give you one example. Okay. In this example, which is the noun form? Which is subject? Yes, you. Come here. Underline this. Underline this. Write down S. Okay. Then object. Boys. Yes. Underline and write down. Okay. And wrote. Don't tell me the group answer. Okay. Last bench. Come here. So, this sentence is active voice sentence. So, how to become the passive voice? So, first we have to put a object here. A letter. Okay. Here verb in which tense? Past tense. So, here main verb was and wrote. Here written, past participle of the main verb, written by he. Which is the relative pronoun of he? Him. So these are passive voice sentence. Okay, understood? Okay, I'll give you second sentence. Okay, which is subject here? Yes, come. Yes, you come. Subject. Okay. Object. Yes. Underline. The also. The पासन. Okay. Verb. Okay. This sentence in active voice. So who make in passive voice? Yes, come. The number of splitting atoms. So object become subject. Atoms can. This sentence in future sentence, simple future sentence, can be controlled. Past participle of main verb. It should be double L. By us. Why she put here us? We. Okay. Tell me the sentence of which kind of sentence it is. Kinds. Assertive. Okay. Which kind of sentence is this? Imperative sentences. It is also imperative sentences and in active voice. So how can we transform into passive voice? Okay, you have to remember in imperative sentences we put the let word, let, the object, the voice, okay, right, be, and past participle of a main verb. Changed. Very good. This is a passive voice. Okay, which type of sentence is this? Yes. WH question. Kinds. Interrogative. In interrogative, how can we transform in passive voice? Who called your names? In interrogative, by whom? First we ask somebody, no? So by whom? The main question. By whom? Here the verb in past tense. So here we put were. Your names, it's a plural form, so that's why we put here were. Were your names called? So this is a transformation of passive voice. So I'll give you another sentence of interrogative sentence. What can do we now? Who transforming passive voice? First you have to write what, because it is a question type, WH question type. What? Then can be, right? Done. Past participle of do. Now, okay. Okay, which type of sentence is this? Yes. Come. Make it passive. In imperative sentence, late. In imperative sentence, late is the most essential word. Late. First you have to, my dear. Object. Dear Juliet. J should be in capital. Juliet. B, past participle of main verb, given back. Array, rest of the sentence is given back to, main noun form me. Okay, write down some sentences in your notebook. First sentence, they invited me. They invited me. To deliver a speech. Next, who taught? Who taught you this subject? Question mark. Next, does he write a letter? Next, pay the bill today. Pay the bill today. Next sentence, one expects, expects, better behavior. From a college student. Okay, solve this. I'll give you only 2 minutes. Yes. Last bench, last boys. Yes, you. Yes, come. It's a right or wrong? Right. Next. Don't murmuring. Solve the second sentence. Yes, please come. Shh. By whom? In this question answer, by whom, here put the main noun verb form. So taught, taught in past tense. So were taught, were, ते sentence आधी घेऊन यायचं. Were you, थांबते एक मिनिट. What is the past participle of taught? Taught. By whom were you taught? This subject. Okay. Third sentence. Third, why? Have you sold it or not? Third sentence. Which is the third sentence? Shh. Tell the third sentence. So in this sentence, is, this is a object, is a letter written by, raises your finger, write down in your notebook. Yes, come. L should be in capital. Let the bill be paid today. फुल स्टॉप. फुल स्टॉप कुठे ठेवता वरती? राइट डाउन इन युअर नोटबुक. झालं का?